Hey everyone, Assalamu alaikum, this is Danish and welcome to my channel Affiliates Den. Before we get into the topic, I would really appreciate if you could just smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you will know that whenever I release my new video. So about today's video, we are going to cover a website. We're going to talk about a website called Squad Help. Now, what happens in this website that companies who are looking for some creativity from to build their brand, they sign up on this website, and then there are people who are willing to provide the service to them. They sign up as service providers. So there are two types of customers. One, looking for people who can help them build their brand, and then there are people who are willing to provide those services and in return get paid. Now, how this is different from Fiverr, whatever, and Upwork or SEO clerks. The thing is, with SEO clerks, Upwork, and Fiverr, you really have to spend a lot of time to promote your gigs. That you provide certain services, and you want people to look at your profile and get them to give you assignments and trust you, and that really is a lot of work. You have to promote, you have to get ad campaigns to promote your services and spend a lot of money on those advertisements so you can get a gig. Now what happens here in Squad Help, let me just move over here. This is the main page. Okay, I'm already logged in. Right, so alright, no worries. It's okay. Now, over here, they have a marketplace. You sign up as a seller. No, you sign up as a service provider actually, and go to the marketplace. Now here you'll find all the gigs which are available. Well, actually, the gigs are called contests in Squad Help. So you just click on all, and you'll see the list down below here. If I scroll down here, there are different contests which are technically gigs, but what happens here, the reason I was calling it different from Fiverr is because here you can input your entries, you can provide the services without waiting for the buyer to get to you, to approach you. You can actually approach the people who are looking for services, and these people have created contests that anyone can participate and share their creativity, so they can by the end of the contest they can pick a winner. And I gotta tell you, man, it's not bad, because the winner gets $200, and you can make I think there's no, as of now, there's no limitation how many entries you can make, how many times you can share a name of a company that you may think that these people are going to pick. So you can keep on entering your inputs, your ideas, and the more entries you make, the more the chances that you may win, depending on how creative you are. So here, this gig is offering $200, and again, name of real estate business. Think of a catchy real estate business name, and they might like it, and voila, you pop $200. I mean, that's not a big, that's not a bad deal at all. Help us name our new design agency. Yeah, that's something. All you gotta do is just give it 10 to 50 minutes, come up with a full name, and enter the name of that whatever company, whatever industry you think that the name suits to that company. The name for a university area, housing location, business name for professional service business, $100, and the name for a digital marketing branding company, $100 here. I mean, it's really easy money if you are creative. If you have a good command in English, and then you know your way around marketing phrases, and well, if you do that, if you participate in these contests, you will win. You don't have to wait for the buyer to get to you. So I think this is a really good gig, and I really think that people should hop onto this gravy train, and make most of it while it's hot. 'Cause, I haven't seen a website which is offering that much money for simply naming their businesses. Well, what they get out of this, they get to scrutinize and really have a lot of options to pick a name from. They will have, I'm guessing, at least every gig will have around 200, 500 entries, suggestions, that is, and these people have these options. 500 people have named their company. They have 500 names, potential names for a company, for a brand they're building, and there's so many options. They can just pick one and name a winner, and that's pretty cool on their for them, because they get creative input of hundreds of people, and they get to choose whatever they like from that collection of inputs. So I think I just signed up. I haven't participated yet. Just signed up a couple of days ago, but I will definitely try to spitball some ideas here and get win some money. So I suggest you do the same. They're free to sign up. There's no catch, and there's no upselling here. There's definitely no losing money. So what are you waiting for? Just sign up and start sharing your ideas. Well, that's pretty much it for today. Thank you. And before moving on to the next video, I would appreciate if you can just have a look in my description box of this video and click on the link, which is a free webinar on the basics of affiliate marketing. I really think you will take something from this webinar, so please try your best to attend it. It's free to free to attend. There's no money involved, so you're not losing anything except for your time, of course. All right, thank you. Bye bye.